Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how to use SSL with the Node-RED. At the same time, in this video we are going to see how to use the username and the password authentication for the admin console for Node-RED. So on the screen you can see Node-RED is running in front of you. Server address is http://127.0.0.1 and port is 1880. See here HTTP, that means this is not secure. So in order to make it secure we are going to use the SSL for the Node-RED. So let us see how to do it. For using SSL for the Node-RED we are going to generate the SSL certificates, and for that purpose we are going to use the OpenSSL. I am using Node-RED on the Ubuntu based system. So if you want to know how to install the Node-RED on the Ubuntu based system, then you can watch this video. In order to install the OpenSSL on Ubuntu based system, you can run this command from the terminal, that is sudo apt-get install OpenSSL. In order to generate the SSL certificates, we need to follow these steps. First step is creating a private key, then next step is creating the certificate request, and third step is signing the certificate using the private key. Third step is signing the certificate using private key. These are the commands for the respective steps. So we are going to execute this command one by one. I have created the folder called certs here in this folder, that is Node-RED. This is the path for the certs folder. So let us open the terminal from this folder. Here we are going to execute the first command. By running this command we are going to generate the key certificate file, and the file name will be nred-key.crt. The command is executed. Now you can see the key.crt file has been generated. Now let us execute the next command. This command is going to generate the certificate request file, that is nred-csr.csr. We need to provide some information over here. I'm going to write IN over here in the country name, state leave it blank, locality name leave it blank, organization name, that is IoT, then press enter. Organization unit name, I'm going to enter node, then press enter. Common name, I'm going to use the localhost address for this PC, so that is 127.0.0.1. Press enter. Press enter over here. Press enter here again. Press enter here again. So now our .csr file is generated. You can see it is generated over here. So let us generate the certificate file using the private key by executing this command. After executing this command we are going to get the file nred-crt.crt. So let us execute this command. So required files are generated over here. In the next step we are going to edit the settings.js for the Node-RED. So it is generally stored at this path. So we will copy this file, that is settings.js, and paste it into my local folder, that is over here. So let us open this settings.js file. In this file, locate this section, that is security. So in this security you can see this option 1 for the HTTPS. We are going to uncomment this. So here we are going to provide the private key file and the certificate file along with their paths. So this is the private key file along with its path, and here we are going to enter the certificate file for the server. Let us save this. So we will start the Node-RED by using this command. Now you can see the Node-RED server is running, and you can notice this HTTPS. that means it is secure. So copy this address, paste into the browser and run it. You can overcome this warning by pressing over here on the advanced tab. It is saying that certificate is not trusted because it is self-signed. So we are going to accept the risk because we know that this certificate has been signed by us only. So click here on accept the risk and continue. Now you can see the Node-RED admin console or editor has started. Let us close this. So now we have implemented SSL successfully with the Node-RED. So we will focus on the next security option, that is providing the username and password authentication for the Node-RED admin console. So let us see how to do it. For that purpose we need to go to the settings.js again. So let us see the settings.js again. Locate this section, that is admin authentication. Let us copy it and paste it over here. We are going to uncomment it. So here username has been given as admin. I am going to change it to the editechno. So my username will be editechno. So this is the encrypted password. So we are going to generate the password for us by using this command from the terminal, that is node-red admin hash pw. Let us run this command. Let us provide the password. So I have entered the password. I am going to press the enter again. So I have got my password in the encrypted format, that is the hash for my password. I am going to copy this password and paste it over here. Save this file with these settings, and we are going to run our Node-RED again by using the command. We will run our Node-RED again with the modified setting.js file. Now Node-RED server has started running on this address. So let us copy this address and paste it into the browser. Now you can see we have got the authentication window. So I am going to select the username as editechno. I am going to enter the password now. Let us click here on the login button. So now you can see we can start our admin console for the Node-RED. Here you can see the flows. You can do the logout from over here. So in this video we have seen how to use SSL with Node-RED. At the same time how to provide the username and the password authentication for the admin console of the Node-RED. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's it for the day. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. Please share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again and have a good time.